Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Jyai the Turtle token, and this is based off of a Matt Furie drawing. Ticker symbol is JYAI, and this token just got a very big central exchange listing starting exactly February 18th. This token will be listed on a very big central exchange, so you got a couple days before it gets listed to go check it out. We're going to go over the information on this token and talk about how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, this token has a full white paper. You can find it in their link tree. I'm going to put their Twitter up right in the corner of the screen here. You can see that there is a full link tree there that's going to take you anywhere you need to go. Their webpage is at jyaitheturtle.com. And we're going to go over the full information on the token here in a second. Ticker symbol JYAI. Now you can find this token here on Etherscan. Actually, the full name of the turtle is Jyai the Turtle by Matt Furie. And then ticker symbol JYAI. ERC20 token on the Ethereum blockchain. 18 decimal places on this token. Max total supply, 69 billion tokens. 985 holders so far, so it doesn't have a huge amount of holders yet, so it's still very early on this project. And this token on their link tree, you can check out. They have a Threads, Telegram, full audit by Solid Proof, Dex screener chart, Discord server, Telegram announcement page, website. They have the Twitters on here. They have a Uniswap link, white paper. I mean, so much links on here, it's crazy. Can't even go over all of them. And their webpage is easily linked right there on the Twitter. So check out the Twitter at JYAI_Jyai, blue verified checkmark. Just joined Twitter January 2025. Brand new project, 525 posts, and 4,754 followers so far. So this token will be listed for full trading February 18th at 9 o'clock UTC time on a very big new central exchange called Weex. Now, if you don't have a Weex account, I just recently put a referral code down there in the description box. There's a QR code in the corner of the screen there. And that's where you can get the Jyai the Turtle by Matt Furie token is on Weex on February 18th. So all you'd have to do, if you don't have a Weex account, is simply go right through that Weex referral code down there in the description box. Open an account, fund your account with USDT. Then when this token gets listed, go into the trade section and search the ticker symbol JYAI and then simply just buy the token. Now, what is Jyai all about here? Well, Jyai represents a groundbreaking fusion of meme culture, artificial intelligence, and entertainment. What began as a vision to revolutionize the meme coin space has evolved into a comprehensive ecosystem that bridges the gap between traditional cryptocurrency and meaningful entertainment value, built on the foundation of community engagement and AI-powered innovation. Jyai stands as a testament to what's possible when creativity meets blockchain technology. Now, Jyai's ecosystem is built upon 5 fundamental principles that guide every aspect of our development. Community first, empowering our users to shape the project's future. Transparent operations, maintaining clear and open communication. Sustainable development, building for long-term success. Creative innovation, pushing boundaries through AI integration. Trust and integrity, upholding the highest standards of conduct. Now, the Jyai overview and tokenomics here, it says Jyai operates on the Ethereum network as an ERC20 token with a total supply of 69 billion Jyai tokens. The token features a deflationary mechanism and zero transaction tax, ensuring frictionless trading for all participants. Now, 85% of the tokens goes to public trading and community, 2.41% goes to production house fund, 6.9% to the exchange listing reserve, 0.69% to the Furie appreciation fund, and 5% to the founder allocation. So it says, at the heart of our ecosystem stands Jyai the Turtle, a wise and philosophical character that embodies both deep wisdom and modern humor. While drawing inspiration from Matt Furie's iconic art style, Jyai emerges as an original fan-made creation that represents a fresh voice in the meme universe. His round, expressive eyes and distinctive shell design carry the perfect blend of wisdom and approachability that resonates with our community. The AI integration and content creation. So Jyai's unique value proposition lies in its AI-powered production house, which serves as the creative engine of our ecosystem. And this innovative approach enables daily generated memes and content, character animation and development, story creation and voice synthesis, interactive community tools and experiences. Now, the exchange listing strategy is on their white paper in a 4-stage strategy, and you could check that out. They're trying to be listed on major central exchanges, and Weex is definitely a good start. Very cool central exchange. Jyai's future is shaped by its community, embracing a decentralized approach to development that ensures flexibility, inclusivity, and continuous innovation. And this model allows us to adapt quickly to market changes, foster genuine community ownership, drive continuous innovation through collective wisdom. And besides that, if you're looking to get the token in a decentralized way, you could get this token by funding your Trust wallet or MetaMask wallet with ETH, going into the dApps, finding Uniswap, and then using the contract address that you could find on their official webpage, JyaiTheTurtle.com. You would trade your ETH for the Jyai the Turtle token. Now, you may have to set slippage, though, if there's taxes in the tokenomics. And you also will have to pay some gas fees when buying tokens off Uniswap. There's very minimal fees on Weex, so definitely check out Weex. That's a great spot to acquire this token starting February 18th. So go check it out. Let me know in the comments down there. What do you guys think about Jyai the Turtle token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.